Buying new tires doesn't automatically mean you're taking care of your car. In fact, it could be the exact opposite. Most drivers think new equals better, but the wrong set of rubber can force your engine to work 30% harder, silently draining an extra $50 or more from your wallet every single month. I've seen engines struggle for years, only to realize the shoes they were wearing were the problem. Today I'm showing you the 13 tires you must never buy because they are absolute fuel economy killers. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal 3 specific tires that can actually increase your MPG, save you a fortune at the pump, and make your car feel noticeably more responsive. Tip 13, pranks high country and fortune Tormenta winter tires. We're kicking things off with a massive red flag. Over 500,000 of these tires were pulled in a major safety recall. Now, they were marketed as snow-ready, but real-world testing proved they didn't even meet basic US snow traction standards. When you're dealing with ice, that's a safety nightmare, but from a mechanical perspective, it's a fuel disaster. These tires, produced by Pranks Changshan, often lure people in with a low price and an aggressive-looking tread. But here is the secret: that aggressive rubber compound creates massive rolling resistance. Your engine has to fight against the road just to move the car forward. The result: your fuel is burned as heat and friction instead of motion. The feedback: I've talked to countless drivers who saw their gas mileage tank the moment these were mounted. The wear: they wear unevenly, which creates even more drag. It's a downward spiral for your wallet and your safety. Tip 12, Wanli Optini tires. This one actually sent shockwaves through the industry. Imagine a tire failing a federal high-speed endurance test. That's exactly what happened with the Wanli-made Aptani Eco Sandareo MT2. The NHTSA had to step in because the sidewalls were literally separating at highway speeds. Think about the physics here. When a tire has a weak structure, it flexes like a rubber band every time it hits the pavement. Flex equals heat. Heat equals resistance. Resistance equals a thirsty engine. When you buy budget tires with inconsistent quality control, you aren't just risking a blowout, you're paying a stupid tax at the gas pump every single week. A cheap tire becomes incredibly expensive when you factor in the fuel loss and the risk of the tire coming apart at 70 mph. Tip 11, Galaxy DH241G. This is a heavy-duty warning. The Galaxy DH241G was hit with a recall because the internal rubber layers weren't bonding correctly. In the world of commercial or heavy truck tires, a manufacturing defect like this is a ticking time bomb. But even if it doesn't blow out, this tire is a fuel hog. The casing is excessively heavy and the tread design is inefficient. The drag factor: because the internal layers are unstable, the tire drags rather than rolls. The cost: if you're hauling weight, a tire that doesn't roll smoothly is essentially acting like a parachute behind your truck. The myth: people buy these thinking they're getting a workhorse for a bargain. In reality, you're buying a fuel guzzler that wears out prematurely. Tip 10, Continental Terrain Contact and Cross Contact. This one is a heartbreaker because Continental is usually a brand I trust. However, in 2025, they had a massive lapse in quality control. About 7,000 tires, including the Terrain Contact HT and Cross Contact LX25, were recalled because of a sulfur deficiency. Without enough sulfur, the rubber can't stay strong or flexible. It leads to vibrations that act as resistance, bulges that ruin aerodynamics and balance, tread separation that can happen on brand new cars like the Equinox EV. When your tire isn't structurally sound, your engine has to work overtime to overcome that instability. Even premium brands have bad days, and this specific batch turned luxury SUVs into fuel-thirsty vibrators. Tip 9, Toyo Open Country and Nitto tires. Off-roaders, listen up. In 2025, 37,000 Toyo and Nitto tires were recalled for, you guessed it, tread separation. These are cool tires, they look rugged, but that rugged look comes with a hidden fuel penalty. Those aggressive tread blocks are designed to bite the dirt. On flat pavement, that bite turns into massive rolling resistance. If the tread starts to peel away from the body, your fuel efficiency isn't just dropping, it's tanking. I've seen drivers lose 3 to 5 mpg just by switching to an unoptimized all-terrain tire. Is the look really worth an extra $600 a year in gas? Tip 8, Goodyear Metro G652. Goodyear is an American icon, but the Metro Melier G652 is a perfect example of why you should never shop by brand alone. A manufacturing error in late 2024 led to tires that were prone to tread separation and uneven wear. For fleet drivers or anyone doing long hauls, this is a nightmare. A tire that wears unevenly creates microdrag. It's like driving with your parking brakes slightly engaged. You might not feel it immediately, but your fuel gauge certainly does. Tip 7. Michelin Agilis Cross Climate. Even the king of tires isn't immune. Michelin had to recall nearly 7,000 Agilis Cross Climate tires recently. While the official reason was identification issues, the practical reality for commercial users is that these are heavy tires. Weight is the enemy of efficiency. If you're running a commercial van or a heavy truck, the drag of a commercial-grade tire, especially a defective one, will eat your profit margins alive. Tip 6. Cooper Discoverer AT3. The Discoverer AT3 is a legend in the 4x4 world, but a massive recall involving hundreds of thousands of units due to sidewall separation stained its reputation. Beyond the safety risk, the high-void tread pattern is a fuel economy killer on the highway. If you aren't actually spending 50% of your time in the mud, this tire is essentially a tax on your commute. When you add a manufacturing defect that causes the tire to wobble or flex, you're looking at some of the worst fuel numbers in the class. Tip 5. Hercules Terratra AT2. Marketed as a budget alternative to the big boys, the Terratra AT2 was swept up in the same Cooper recall. It suffers from the same structural flaws, sidewall separation, and internal defects. In my experience, budget off-road tires are the worst of both worlds. They lack the high-tech, low-rolling resistance compounds of premium tires, and they lack the durability of true professional rubber. You save $200 on the purchase, but you spend $400 more on gas over the life of the tire. That's not a deal, that's a trap. Tip 4. Cooper CS5 Grand Touring. This one is deceptive. It's a Grand Touring tire. It's supposed to be efficient, but a defect in the tread extrusion die at the Mississippi plant caused these tires to crack at the base of the tread slots. When a tire starts to crack and lose its shape, it no longer rolls in a perfect circle. That egg-shaped rotation creates massive mechanical loss. You're fighting the tire every inch of the way. If your dot code starts with U901CW, you might be driving on a silent fuel thief. Tip 3. Achilles ATR Sport 2. Budget performance is a tempting hook, but the Achilles ATR Sport 2 recall of 83,000 units proves you get what you pay for. These tires often have incredibly stiff, unoptimized sidewalls. While they might feel sporty in a corner, they are incredibly inefficient on a straightaway. The rubber compounds used in these cheap performance tires often have terrible rolling resistance ratings. You get the noise and the fuel bill of a race tire with none of the actual performance. Tip 2. Cooper Evolution HT. This is the big one. 430,000 tires recalled. The Evolution HT promised SUV comfort but delivered sidewall bulges and rapid wear. Some users saw these tires balled out at just 38,000 miles. When a tire wears out that fast, it's because the friction is too high. That friction isn't just eating the rubber, it's eating your gas. If you value your safety and your bank account, stay far away from this specific line. Tip 1. Goodyear G159. The Hall of Shame winner. This tire was designed for delivery trucks but ended up on thousands of motor homes. The result was catastrophic: tread separations, high-speed crashes, and a massive NHTSA recall. In terms of fuel, the G159 is a disaster. Because it was never meant for the speeds and heat of a passenger motor home, the rolling resistance climbs through the roof as the tire gets hot. It is the ultimate example of a mismatched tire that ruins your fuel economy and puts your life at risk. The winners: 3 tires that save you money. Now, as promised, let's talk about how to actually save money. If you want to see your MPG go up, these are the only 3 you should be looking at. Number 3. Michelin Energy Saver AS. This is the gold standard. It uses a specialized silica-based compound that stays cool and rolls with almost zero effort. Number 2. Bridgestone Ecopia EP422 Plus. There's a reason Toyota and Honda put these on their hybrids from the factory. They are designed from the ground up to minimize drag. Number 1. Continental True Contact Tour. This is the unicorn tire. It gives you the fuel savings of an eco tire but keeps the grip and 80,000-mile longevity of a premium touring tire. One last thing, before you go out and buy these, you need to check one specific number on your door jamb. If this is wrong, even a $300 Michelin won't save your fuel economy. I break down exactly how to fix that in this next video. I'll see you over there.